In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add social media icons in Constant Contact. Social media icons are a simple way to help readers connect with you outside of the email. When they are placed neatly in your message, they make it easy for subscribers to find your pages and follow along without needing to search for you on their own. To get started, open the email you are editing in Constant Contact. You will be working in the email editor, where you can add different types of content blocks. Look to the left-hand side of the screen for the panel that holds these blocks. This is where you will find items like text, images, and other layout options. In that left-hand panel, locate the social block. Once you see it, drag the social block from the panel and drop it directly into your email where you want the icons to appear. A common spot is near the footer, close to your contact details, but you can place it anywhere that fits your design. After you have placed the social block into the email, click directly on that block to open its settings. Then select the option to edit. This brings up the controls that let you choose which social platforms to display and where each icon should link. Next, you will toggle on the social networks you want to include. Turn on the ones that match the platforms you actively use, such as Facebook or Instagram. If you do not plan to maintain a certain network, it is better to leave it turned off, so subscribers do not land on an inactive page. Once your networks are selected, paste in your profile URLs for each one. Make sure you use the full link to the exact profile or page you want people to visit. Take a moment to double-check that each URL is correct, because even a small typo can send readers to the wrong place or cause the link not to work. When you are finished, your social media icons will display in the email and link to your profiles. And that is all there is to it.